All plexus make it easy. We'll start first today by talking about the brachial plexus, how to make it easy. So we'll start the brachial plexus by starting drawing. First 3y, 2 in one direction, and the third one in the opposite direction. Then make it like a bullet. We'll connect the two y's together. Then parallel to this one, we'll make another one in the middle of the y. After that, we will connect the upper y with the middle y and make this cross. So we make this bullet, then the barrel to it this one, then make cross here. Okay. After that, we need to remember how this root is coming. So we'll count together. How many ends is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So start by C5, then C6, 7, 8, then T1. How we will divide the roots and trunks of the brachial plexus? We'll make first some dots at this ends of this Y that will come here, this dashes, and before the X and after X and before the end of the middle Y. And we should remember at the time that remember this right DCB. So right, we know right or T, and for the DCB, how to remember? You should remember that ABCD. So if you look it from right, as we said here, right, so it will be A, B, C, D. So look it again from right to left. It is B, C, D. And it is right to remember it is coming from the right side, the sequence. So it is right, B, C, D. Okay, so R stands for roots, T stands for trunks, D for divisions, C stands for chords, and B for the branches. So with regard to the roots, it is, as we said, it is C5, 6, 7, 8, and T1. That is the roots. Regarding to the trunks, it is upper, middle, and lower. And we should know that for each trunk, it is divided to anterior and posterior. Anterior and posterior. So we started by the upper trunk for anterior and posterior. Then middle will be also anterior and posterior. Then the lower trunk for posterior and anterior. And to remember, all of the posterior coming for the posterior chord. So don't confuse. All of them is coming together. That means that is the posterior divisions, and the remaining will be the anterior. So this is her anterior, that is anterior, that is anterior, and all posterior are coming together. Okay. So for the chords, as we said, all the posterior chords with the posterior divisions is coming to form the posterior chord. Then the upper one, the lateral, and the lower, the medial chord. Coming for the branches, we should remember there is a mnemonics named maroon. Maroon, M, then A for auxiliary, R for radial, and the U for ulnar, second M for median. So again, ma, ru, musculocutaneous, axillary, radial, ulnar, median. That's all. Thanks.